What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. How you been? I just been MIA, sorry. I just haven't been feeling like doing anything lately, you know? My hair looks a little freaking crazy. But anyways, I have my base on, my eyebrows on, and it's that time of month again where I'm going to do, let me adjust you guys, the birthstone collab with the Birthstone Beauties. Sorry my hair looks this way, but it is what it is. So I'm going to take out the Best Life by Violet Voss, and we are going to do a sapphire look today. Now, this is Kimberly, one of our beautiful ladies' birthday month. So everybody say happy birthday to Kimberly. I don't know exactly what day it is, but it's a birthday month, right? The whole month is like your birthday. I thought. But anyways, we're gonna do a sapphire look. Hopefully this is dark enough, but I think it will. I think it'll work. Well, yeah, we're gonna try to use this, but I might pull in some other things. Hold on one sec. So I got out my trusty, the Mama Mitchell palette. So I'll use both of them probably. Maybe I won't, maybe I will. But I do love this palette, but I don't know if that is enough for a sapphire look. So I'll be going into these. So let's start off with this one called Mist. It's right here. So I'm gonna start with that. Look at how pigmented that is. Oh my God. Let's put some tape on. You can tell I haven't done a video because I'm like all over the place. My last video was my 23andMe, where I told you my 23andMe results. And that was my last video, and that's been a while ago. But, I mean, there's things I want to do, but then I just want to get out of my house and go. I don't know. What else? I don't know if these are the right colors. We're going to see what we end up with. Welcome to my face. I'm going to start right here with that color Mist. And I'm going to kind of go over. Just to let you know, before I do my looks, sometimes I have in mind what I want it to look like. Most of the times, I don't. So, yeah, sorry about my hair. I don't know. It is a hot mess. I washed it and dried it last night. And then when I slept, I put it in a silk bonnet type thing. And it's really nice texture. But I didn't really do anything to it, so it looks like this. So, yeah, how y'all doing? I'm doing okay, you know. It is fall. It is finally fall, because it's finally cooling down. The last 2 days, yesterday was a really rainy day, and I was just like, yes, please, I am ready for this. So I got my fall attire on. I bought this at Rue 21, this little checkered thing. I have a checkered shirt too that looks like it. But the arms are a little tight, so we're gonna have to stretch those out, girl, because Mama got some fat arms, okay? So what? So I'm gonna go like lightly, because I don't want to screw it up, you know? I'm gonna put that all over also. And like that. I don't know if they're straight, if they're like, I'm gonna put it all the way up to the brow. Try and stop me. But yeah, yesterday was so nice. It was like rainy, and I was just like, wow. Usually when fall comes, I turn off my air conditioner, and I don't have my heater or air conditioner on. It's just, that's how I like my house, is cold. Cold like the morgue. Cold like my heart. But anyways, yeah. I'm just building that up to make it look more pigmented and where it's not like transparent. I was just trying to think of the word opposite of transparent. I think it's called opaque. Yeah, opaque. Ooh. Okay. Let's see here. Let's get out a fluffier brush and blend the edges. Let's see, what should I blend the edges with? I'm gonna take the Modest right here and kind of blend out the edges. Hopefully that works. I think it's a color that's kind of close to my skin color, maybe a little brighter. And we'll just blend out the edges of that so it doesn't look messy. Ew, it kind of gives it a green effect. Oh well. I'll just go back over with the, that's kind of yellow. Look at it. No! It's not what I wanted. What if I put it on with my finger? Oh well, who cares? Who cares? It's just makeup, you know? I'm gonna go back in with that blue. And go back over that line. I don't think in the end you're gonna tell too much. Okay, so I'm gonna color switch my brush. And I'm gonna go in with Moody Mitch. It's like a navy type color. And go right there on the edge to darken it some. Right there on the edge. Yeah, I've also been just chilling with my dogs. Like, they are a handful, especially Stormy. He's a real lovey teddy bear, but he is nuts. He's nuts. I'm telling you right now. But he's worth it. He's my little teddy bear. So, I don't like that up there. I don't like it at all. But we'll try to fix that at the end, maybe. Or maybe we'll try to fix it right now. I'm gonna go in with the color Marine. It's like a shimmer. Kind of cover that up, maybe. Like I said, I don't have really anything in mind until I get in here. And I kind of didn't today. I just kind of go for it. Sorry if I went off frame there. I feel like it's coming across green up there. This is blue. This is blue. Okay, now I'm gonna go, see, this shows that I haven't done makeup in a while. Well, I've done makeup, but not looks like this. I better stop not doing it because it's not turning out the best, girl. But oh well, we do what we do, you know? I'm trying to pull out another, trying to look at some other things to see what I have. But I don't know. I could have looked and got a better palette, but well, oh well. How about we go in with some glitter? This might actually save the look. I'm gonna go in with Pets by Violet Voss, Best Life. I take my glitter glue by NYX, and I'm just gonna put that in the center. We're doing too much on this look. And I just pat that on like that. I'm just gonna pat it to the corner. Kind of let it dry for a minute. Like that. I got another fan, but I left it in the other room. I broke 2 of them, so went to the Dollar Tree, and I love the Dollar Tree, by the way. I'm probably gonna go again today. I just love it. I find a lot of good stuff there, so. Okay, I'm gonna start putting it on with a brush. Now, let's put it on my finger. When I go out anywhere, people are gonna look at me, oh my God, what is wrong with this girl? Why is she doing so much with her eyes? Hey, I'm in a collab group. Don't worry about it. Let's just pat that on. Okay. So, I'm making a mess down here. It doesn't look too bad. Let me clean off some fall off here with this fluffy brush. With that glitter. Take the first brush, wherever the heck it went, this one, and I'm gonna go in a little bit of this blue here, and just make that more vibrant again, and take some on the bottom. Yeah, it went from like 90 degrees to like 70 degrees one day, which was wonderful, and then now it's like 40 some degrees out there. Girl, what is going on? So that's weird. Let me take these off and look at how that looks. We'll fix it. I'm confident that we will fix that. That's because of that tape. Round it out. Oh. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna put on some lashes and some eyeliner, and I'll be right back. And we'll do the rest. Okay, I'm back. I got my lashes on. They're from the Dollar Tree. I got a bunch of these. They're cute, but I don't know. But that's the eye look. So let's put the rest of the face on. I'm gonna go in with my Shady Biz by Fenty Beauty. And just go ahead and put that all over. You know, when you wear the masks that we have, it's hard to wear lipstick. I've seen this contraption you put over your mouth and then you put the thing on. I'm not about that life. So, oh. See, that just makes me not look as white as a ghost. We're gonna go in with e.l.f. Always Punchy. Is it punchy or peachy? Punchy. I ordered from e.l.f. If you didn't see that, I had a video. This is good makeup. It really is. So if you're a baller on a budget, and then we have to go in with my favorite, Ofra Glazed Donut by Nikki Tutorials and Ofra collab. And lips. We're gonna go, I'm not sure. What is this color? I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. one. So I'm gonna put that back And then I'm going to take the Jeffree Star, the gloss. It is in silk rope. And just put that on top. It smells good. And I'm going to do a little bit more blending here. Because in real life, girl, this looks crazy. Maybe if I turn my light down a little bit, you can see. Okay. Now I'm going to spray the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray in Sweet Peach. And this is the final look. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go in my description box and follow all the ladies in the Birthstone Beauties. They're doing a Sapphire look this month, as always. Let's see, what is this month? September. We have 3 more months and we're done with the Birthstone collab unless we decide to do it for 12 more months. So anyways, make sure you go down there and follow all the Birthstone Beauties. Make sure you go down there and follow all my social media. And I think that's all for today. Sorry, I forgot how to YouTube. But anyways, thanks for watching and love ya. Have a good day.